Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the KFX YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well and you're enjoying your Sunday afternoon. It's currently 3:30 right now. I'm just chilling, doing some chart work, marking it up, all that good stuff. Just got done finishing a 45-minute video for the guys in my members zone. I've gone through about 10 pairs, 12 pairs for them with all the charts and stuff that I'm looking at, all the trades that I'm looking at for the week ahead for those guys. Obviously within my member zone I give everything that I'm looking at trading myself, whereas for you guys you just get 2 trades and obviously no updates. But for them I give a Sunday video and a midweek update video on Wednesday where I go over even more trades and even more setups for the week and the weeks ahead. So if you want to get involved with that, DM me on Instagram and I'll get you involved. But for now, you can stick with this if you want, but obviously it's just a bit limited and you're not going to be gaining the most you can gain in the same amount of time, so just consider that. So to start off with, we got GBPJPY. Just some quick analysis on this so you guys can see what I'm seeing for the week ahead, and hopefully I can explain it well enough for you guys to understand. So this is what it's looking like right now. You're probably going to be like, what the hell? But let me explain it to you. So we're on the daily. Okay, remove drawings. So top down analysis is when you go from like monthly, weekly, daily. That's what you guys should be doing, but for this video I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. So I'm going to start on the daily. I can see 1 touch, 2 touch just there. I can bring it a little bit closer. And then obviously this is the 3rd touch. We can say 1 touch, 2 touch, 3. This is 4, and this is 5th. Doesn't really matter if you want to be a bit more strict about it. You could be like, okay, 1 touch, 2 touch there, same thing. So it doesn't really make a difference. So really, this could be the 3rd touch anyway. So next thing we do, so we got the trend line, which is fine. Next thing we do is we get the Fibonacci from the last significant low to the last significant high. Pull it across. Cool. Next thing we do is get a horizontal line. Is there a psych level? Yep. So there's a psych level between our golden fib zone. The golden fib zone is between the 71% and the 78.6. Is it structure? Yep. Because look, previous resistance, a little bit resistance again. Now we're looking for it to act as support. So that's structure. We have the EMA. So previously the 8-hour EMA has been used as dynamic support. So look here, it broke above it, acted as support, pushed again, pushed up again, acted as support, pushed up again, acted as support, and guess what? Pushed up again, and then I'm looking for it to act as support once again. Why am I looking for that? It's because we're looking at patterns. FX and stocks and indices and everything like that, cryptos, is all patterns. But for you guys, it's just FX that I'm giving to you. But it's all patterns, and you can basically predict what's going to happen just from previous price action. So, what am I looking for? I'm looking for 3-4 hour rejections from the zone here. What is rejections? Like formations like spinning top, dojis, and hammer candles. Obviously, it's looking for a buy, so it'd be a hammer. If it was a sell, it would be a shooting star. If you don't know what they are, go Google them, go YouTube it. It's pretty easy. It's pretty standard. How did I figure that out? If you want to understand how I figured out all the rejections and stuff, you can get that within the member zone. I'm not going to give it all for free on YouTube just because that'd be very silly. So GBPJPY, looking for a long position. Why am I looking for a long position? Because it's making higher highs and higher lows. It's respected the 8-hour EMA, so I'm looking at it to come into the zone here and respect it once again. We have structure, we have a golden fib zone, we have psychological level, we have a trend line. So we have bear confluences to take along here. So I don't just trade off support or resistance or off just the Fibonacci or just the trend line. It's everything combined for a super strong strategy. Okay. So if you guys want to like check me out or like see if I'm legit, go where is it? Trading Nut. Go to the Trading Nut YouTube channel, or just go to my Instagram, kane.fernando, and in my bio there is a link to a video where I flipped 500 quid to 29,000 in 5 weeks. yes, it was a real account, and yes, I gave him proof, and yes, there was withdrawals. So you guys can check that out if you want to go check it out and see if if I can actually walk the walk, which I can. So yeah, this is the strategy that I used to do that. So if you want to check it out, go check it out. But yeah, so I'm looking for those 3-4 hour ejections from the zone, and then I'll be looking for that impulse to the upside. It's a 4.16 ratio, and it's a 450 pip move, 457 pip move to the upside. So if you're risking 1% here, you've got potential to gain 4.4, basically 4%. Okay, so this is looking really good. This might take till about Monday, Tuesday for this to occur, but let's just wait and see and be patient and see if this can play out. As a bit of a disclaimer, if there's no 3-4 hour ejections and it breaks below, then it's obviously invalid and I wouldn't take a trade. So only when there's the rejections that I look for is when I enter the trade. Okay, so obviously you guys are on your own because you're just a YouTube lot for free, but with my members and stuff I update it obviously when it's at the zone and when we're looking to obviously when we're looking to jump in and stuff like that. So yeah, that is that. And then obviously GBPAUD, obviously structure has changed on this for me. It's beneath all the EMAs, 8 hour daily, 4 hour. So I'm looking for shorts. So this is what it's looking like currently. What have we got? We got trend line, so 1 touch there, 2 touch there. Cool. Next thing we do is Fibonacci, so last significant high to last significant low. Do we have a cycle level? Yep, 82. Just there. Is that structure? Yep, previous. That you can see previous resistance, previous support, all the way across. Cool. So what am I looking for? If I scale down to the 2 hour time frame, I can kind of have a little look and see if price comes into our zone here, then I'll be looking for that short position to the downside, and I'll be looking for a sell. Okay, so that's a 3.45 ratio and a 237 pip move to the downside. So hopefully we can see a retracement first and foremost, and then we'll look for the sell. I'm not saying sell this from here, I'm saying we'll sell it from here. Okay, so don't try and sell it from here. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying we're waiting for the sniper entry, waiting for 3 2-hour ejections from the zone here. So if we can see 3 2-hour ejections, like a shooting star, like a spinning top, like a doji in a row, 1 2 3, then we'll be looking for a sell to the downside. What confluences do we have? We have the 8 hour EMA, which has been acting as previous support, then it's broken down, and now we're looking for it to act as resistance. Okay, we have descending trend line, which is 2 confluences. We have structure, which is 3. We have cycle level, which is 4, so 1.82 is a cycle level, and golden Fibonacci, which is 5, and obviously candlestick rejection, which is 6. So 6 reasons to take a trade here, not just off one, I set up resistance, set up support. It's not how it works. So yeah, so that is a 3.45, so that's looking decent. So yeah, this is just a quick video. My laptop's about to run out, so you ain't gonna get much more from me. Yeah, if you guys want to join up, I'd say join up today if you can, because then you can obviously get the full video for the week ahead, plus you get the midweek update. In the zone you get community chat as well, so there's 225 members currently, and you can share your ideas, chart work, ask questions about brokers, about different strategies. If you want to talk about that, that's fine. My aim is to do a KFX meetup by December, end of December. Hopefully by then coronavirus would have left and we can actually meet up and not have to wear face masks and all that kind of shit. So yeah, hopefully that can happen. So by then I'm looking to have about 500 members. Obviously, as I've said before, there's a cap on numbers, and price will probably be going up for new members who join, not for current members, just because it's supply and demand. So if you want to join up now for the current price and you want to see what's going on and actually understand how to do good chart work, and it's just easy to understand, then join up, because to be honest with you, there's not many places that do what I do. So yeah, If you are new here, do subscribe. I do appreciate it, or do share it with your friends who think that you think that would gain something from this. But if you're already subscribed, just leave a like. If I get 100 likes on this video, I'll do some more pairs in the next week's video. But yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see. I'm thinking of doing more like lifestyle content, you know, day in the life kind of stuff. But yeah, I just want to know what you guys want to see. So obviously I do lots of chart work and stuff, but I want to expand into other things. So just let me know in the comments what you want to see, and I'll try and get that in the works. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next week.